Usimbot Menteri Rangba Kejala Bakmi Ikatnat PWD Roads ba Prestone Tensong Hagisni Baan Wala Pentip Bala Deb Ban Pynbeit Pura ya Lynti Ïaid Jangka Surok Pynursla bypass Bakren Bat Kinong Tok Kubor ba Prestone Tensong Laong ba Kajing Keno Haka Affidavit Kabala Ujor Syak Mekhalaya High Court ba Kajing Penya ya Lynti Jangka bypass 4 la Ban Pendep Nama Kajing Persya Kitrai Snong Kalong Kabamde Wala Ong ba Kitrai Jaka Kila Manjur ya Kate Kajing Penya ya Kali Jangka Surok Batamai Kabala He Daka PWD Bat NHIDCL Bat La Debru Bat IT Shaka Ministry of Road Transport Bat Shaka Office Trekam Jangka HNIDCL
project is facing hurdles due to opposition by local people. So what is the government action to resolve this?
See, this is a Shillong Dauki road and reaching to Pynursla bypass, which is called as package 3. In the package 3, in fact, initially survey was started, so ultimately due to misunderstanding here and there between NHIDCL and the local authority again, then we have to keep it on hold. It was kept on hold. But in the recent months, what happened was resurvey was again conducted, and then we have from the state government also convinced the traditional heads and then the landowners to cooperate and also to see the necessity of having a Pynursla bypass. So I would like to inform you, I'm so happy to inform you that ultimately even the community, even the landowners, they have already agreed, and the final alignment done by the state government, state PWD and the NHIDCL has been forwarded to the Ministry of Road Transport and the headquarters of NHIDCL. And recently when I was in Delhi, I had a meeting, detailed meeting with all of them, with all the concerned, and I'm very sure very soon we'll be able to get this action.
There was an observation yesterday in the court saying that residents are not agreeing.
Sorry?
There was some affidavit filed before the court saying the residents are not agreeing to this.
No, that I think that is wrong. See, off late, that's what I'm telling you, off late, because we involve all the local headmen, all the extreme members of the locality, even the landowners. We have involved everybody, and we went to the spot, not only taking a decision from community hall or from a place where all of us were just sitting, but due inspection was conducted in presence of the local authority, in presence of the SDO civil, in presence of the deputy additional ADM in charge revenue, in presence of the NHIDCL representative, and also in the presence of the engineers from the state PWD, and finalization ultimately has happened as far as alignment of Pynursla bypass is concerned.
So how long is only the portion of Pynursla bypass will be the length?
The length would be around more or less around 10 to 13 kilometers. Just around 10 to 13 kilometers like that.
So also if you can update us about the NH6.
Sorry?
NH6.
Yeah. NH6 again we had a meeting. Recently when I visited Delhi, we had a meeting. I called upon the Secretary of Ministry of Road Transport, and I apprised to him about the situation, about the condition of the NH6, especially from Lumshnong side up to maybe up to Umkiang side, where the road is so deplorable. And right now, in fact, the maintenance and repairing contractors has been engaged by the NHAI, because this again, please understand, it is not under the lookout of the state PWD, it is totally under the lookout controlled by the NHAI and the NHIDCL again. And we discussed even about the tunnel, and the Secretary Ministry of Road Transport, he has taken a very keen interest on this, and maybe before the monsoon, he himself will come and see. Inspection will be undertaken by him and by the team of the NAHAI and the Ministry of Road Transport to this particular place where the landslide happened every now and then, especially during the monsoon time. So that assurance has been given by them.
By when this project is likely to get complete, means repairing of that?
Repairing is on. That's what I'm telling you. Now the maintenance, repairing is on. I can't say when should it be ended, because again at the same time now, right from this Lat Umroy up to the last point of Meghala, it will be converted into 4-lane. And again, this project has been handed over to NHIDCL. And NHIDCL right now, they are conducting the survey. And not only the survey, they are also in touch with the formalities for identifying land with the help of the respective deputy commissioners or district collector of each district.
So, like you rightly mentioned,